So we're currently here at Index Zone, I think sa Scout Tobias branch. And we're getting our car washed kasi meron tayong Saturday night standby mamaya.
With USD Auto Society.
So time check. It's currently 7:53, almost 8 dito sa Canlaon Town Center, and yung members na rin dito tsaka mga applicants. And thankfully Soothis was kind enough to let us host let us host yung tambay namin for the night dito ngayon. I'll have you guys meet some of the members and applicants later. So for now, my car. So medyo marami nang dumating dito. Ito si Kuchi, applicant. Ito yun, naka-t-shirt pa oh. Old logo pa. Ustas.
Model mo na naman ako. Uy, mid-kids!
Ay! Ay, ang galing! Ang galing! Oh, showcase mo yung mga kotse.
So, dito muna tayo sa pinakamaganda.
Ayusin mo.
Pinakamaganda?
This is Jason's! Toyota Vios!
Unso mo, maganda.
Ano to?
2014.
Naka very rare rota na wheels. Kahit i-google mo yan, di mo yan makahanap. Ano pa ba karga na ito? Driver, hindi natin dito. About that. TRD ducktails. Diba?
Legit yan?
Oo, legit yan. From factory yan. Factory option yan. Dito na tayo sa SIR body.
Bakit may mga sponsor to? Ano bang purpose ng sasakyan na to?
Race car to bro.
Race car! Race car, oh. Anong tawag sa mugs mo?
Ano yan bro? Spider-Man. Rota Circuit 8.
Rota Circuit 8. Ang ganda naman ng mugs mo.
Ito. Courtesy of our secretary yan. Naputol niya door
Wow.
handle ko.
Lance Gerald.
Sheesh.
Oo.
Ang galing no, ang innovative nung pansamantagal. Ang galing. Paano mo nga naman masisira na kung hindi mo na magagamit, no?
Paano mo mabubuksan?
Ang galing no. Tapos di mababasa. Ay, ang galing, bay.
Grabe.
Grabe.
Clean wrap.
O clean wrap. Uy! Primer po. Tangina.
Hey!
Hindi. Makintab. Tignan mo naman. Oh, yung ilaw oh. Parang constipation. Constellation. Constellation. Bingidin yung mata.
Mark William Di Mapilis, Sunburst Yellow.
Kung hindi sa atin yan.
Sorry.
Uy, amoy gas.
Kanino yun?
Hindi, Petron. Ha?
That's me.
Sasabo?
That's me.
Pabango mo, amoy gas.
No, my car.
Nice, was like WD-40.
It smells like gas lately. Kailangan ko na mag-turbo.
Yung pala yun?
Ang ganda nito eh, oh. Ganda ko pa ka ng... So lahat umaatras ngayon. Ito yung naka-coils na Corolla Cross K20 FD ni Enzo. Lahat umaatras to make way kasi first come first serve. Kung pagkada may umaalis na customer ng Soothis, magpa-park yung member na kakarating la. Oo, bibili ka.
Nakahanda na yung pambili ko.
Ay, nakahanda na. Yan, tama yan. Susuportahan natin. Susuportahan tayo. Support. Ito pala yung owner ng Soothis sa likod. Si Sir King. Yan, batiin natin. Si Vic. Mr. Real G. We're wondering kapag linowered na to. Ano ba gusto mo? Meaty flash?
Oo.
Meaty flash?
Yabante mo. Paupuan mo. Paupuan mo.
Feeling ko. Ito, tignan mo sa camera oh. Lagay dito tol.
Picture kasi nandito. Kailangan nandito.
Ang laki oh. Sa camera pa lang yan ha. Now this one really caught my eye.
Bakit?
Teka mo naman, kailan ka nakakita ng mobilyo na mababa?
Si Will mataba.
Wheelworks mababa si Will.
Mataba. Drive plus more than just a car.
Oh,
Si
Will.
Will plus weighs more than a car.
Anyway, check this mobilyo out. Galing sa member ng Archers Auto Club. Hello! Suthi's Cafe sa Canlaon Town Center. If familiar sa inyo yung lugar, yan yung Jollibee ng Welcome Rotonda. Ito yung Burger King before that Jollibee. Burger King. How is it? Ito, yung drive-thru. And this is Canlaon Street. So this place is called Canlaon Town Center. And Sir King was kind enough to have us host our Saturday night standby dito. So to repay the kindness, most of us will order coffee here or drinks dito sa Suthi's Cafe. So make sure to check out their coffee shop. Very nice coffee and very friendly yung parking. So, dumating na rin. Lagi na feature sa channel si Jacob. TFC din, TFC Kapamilya. Trophy Club. Tapos may mga darating pa later. Ito yung may-ari, pinapanood lang. Hindi makalabas Jacob! Hoy! Hindi makalabas yung BYD oh. Ba't nanonood ka lang dyan? Nakaharang yung kotse.
Putangin na niyo po.
So right now, nagme-mellow down na yung tambay. Medyo onti na rin yung nangyayari. Tapos, yan. Boss Enzo. Lance. Are you happy? So, since nag-die down na yung mood here, tapos na rin kami kasi marami na umuwi. And time check, it's 12:33. Lilipat na kami kila Vic para mag-DIY naman. We're just fucking dumb at 12:33. So, I'll take you guys with me there. Okay, let's go. So, what's up, YouTube motherfuckers? It's currently what? 1:15. And we got our local mechanic here.
That sound deadening, boy. What's up, you tune.
So yun, nag-fit kami ng sound deadening dito kasi bumili ng Explode Super
Sony Explode.
Na-form na siya na para bang pizza, tapos ngayon i-heat gun para dumikit, mag-melt yung adhesive. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Am I do didn't
Tingnan natin. Let's see kung didikit siya.
And anong balak mong bayad dito, Fletch?
1.5 ko.
So we got one down. Well, Vic got one down. Nandito lang kami for like fucking around, man.
May marirecommend ba kayong matinong detailing brush set? I need to clean.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Ang inan to. Mas report ka yung YouTube page mo. Hayop ka.
Wait. Ang galing. Dumikit nga. Hindi ka mali Hindi ka mali doon. Shut your fucking mouth! So, ayun. Napagkasya yung tirang magandang deadening. And,
Haha, dede.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Isip bata.
I swear to God, if this explodes in my face.
Ekok.
Si
Lagyan mo nga ako.
Tarantado ang po.
Bago pa. Putangin na niyo po.
Alright, hey guys. It's currently 3:26 in the morning. And natapos namin yung sound deadening. And actually, natapos ni Vic. I was just there making jokes. I wasn't useful at all. But anyway, that was fun. We had fun. It was a nice evening. We started around 8 p.m. Diba? Sa tambay. No, actually, I started 6 p.m. because 6 p.m. pa lang car wash na ako eh. So, imagine man. 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Been having good fun. And now I'm driving on the way home sa EDSA. Let's do a little pull here. Sounds good every time. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. This is Made Kids Chico. Bye bye!